We're changing the cabin filter today. So there's one screw there, another one there, 3 more. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you got that removed, you're gonna go to the side here and just kind of take this back part out. So I'm gonna use a flat head, kind of slowly, gently. There you go, all the way to the top. Kind of push it back. There we go. You open this up. Kind of, you want to use both hands, so because you kind of want to be careful here. This whole thing comes apart, and that. So just be careful with this. I mean, with 2 hands, you know where you would have grabbed it, and take this notch out here. But anyways, once you get that cabin filter here, it's a clip here. Take that out, and voila. I'm at 20,000 and it's not really all that dirty, so I just want to show you guys how to get that done. So that's how you change it. Just let's slice this back in, and that's how you change the cabin filter.